There is a huge debate going on around artificial intelligence in Australia. Recently, government of Australia has sanctioned a report where a lot of people are raising their concerns. This report, commissioned by the Australian government as a first step towards regulating artificial intelligence, has warned the country is relatively weak at the type of AI that underpins popular services like ChatGPT and may not have enough skilled workers or computing power to capitalize on the AI revolution. Difficult challenge for the government to regulate developments that don't necessarily respect national boundaries. Interested in thoughts about how they are going so far. The Harvard Atlas of Economic Complexity methodology shows Australia to be a very low complexity economy. We have added only one new export product in the last 15 years and have slipped 8 places in complexity ranking in the last decade. The idea that we might be able to compete globally in an area like AI seems fanciful. The likelihood is that we will continue to do what we have done for decades, use our mineral wealth and attractive lifestyle to buy in the skills we need through skill migration, sufficient to maintain the basic industries we have. The thing is that the talent doesn't grow itself. The question for Australia is whether we resign ourselves to being a place where other countries come to dig stuff up, or if we are going actually create a future for ourselves. We are of the we are one of the richest countries on earth at number 9 by the way, but we have 91st in economic complexity because groups like the commission and the federal treasury keep saying we are not good at it now, so why would we invest? The argument would make more sense if there were not so many examples of other countries identifying a capability that's critical to their success or sovereignty and investing successfully. And that is where, by the way, Silicon Valley came from. Now, I think it's just not AI per se. The lack of investment in the software tech leveraging various AI capabilities, ways of dealing with all serious issues. Poor AI usage brings bias, unfairness, non-inclusiveness, untrustworthiness, and the list goes on. I think Australian government really need to wake up and do their part because if we don't really capitalize on this upcoming freight train of artificial intelligence, it is going to hit us very hard. So if you want to have your say, then go to this website of Department of Industry, Science and Resources and just fill out this questionnaire and submit it. Submissions close 26th of July 2023 and I will post the link to it in video's description. Thanks for listening.